Hello. Let us look at the 4 steps involved in assessment. We are going to explain the role of the teacher in each step of the assessment process. Assessment is a continuous planned process of identifying, gathering, and interpreting information about the performance of learning using various forms of assessment. It involves 4 steps: generating and collecting evidence of achievement, evaluating this evidence, recording the findings, and using this information to understand and assist in the learner's development to improve the process of learning and teaching. DBE.2011 p. 51. Generating. The teacher can come out with questions that relates to his learning objective. These questions he will ask learners in a classroom during teaching and learning process as they respond to the question in the classroom. The teacher can evaluate their responses by using checklist, observation sheet. In that way, he will be evaluating what they are giving him. The teacher will record learners' responses in his observation tool or on his notebook, and he can use their responses correct their mistake or misconceptions during teaching and learning. What is it that a teacher is generating? A teacher must come out with questions or activity that relates with the learning objective identified. The questions or activity will be asked during the teaching and learning process. Then learners will be responding to the questions or activity. Collecting. In collecting, what is a role of a teacher? The teacher is taking note of a learner response, like noting how learner 1 answered and the way learner 2 answered. If they responded by writing their responses on a book, then the teacher will collect their written responses. Record. How do you record as a teacher? The teacher will note what he collected down. If the teacher is using a notebook to record what he has collected down, the teacher can also use his phone to record the evidence during the collection of evidence. Evaluate. How do you evaluate this evidence? The teacher is making use of an assessment tool to evaluate their responses. The use of information. How do I use this information? The teacher will use this information in order to inform the next step in assessing the learners to progress in the learning. If there is a misconception, the teacher will come out with new strategies to improve how he will teach in the next lesson. Remember, if you improve teaching, you also improve learning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.